Your iPhone can record video while the screen is completely off. Black screen. No one can tell. And almost nobody knows this exists. In this video, I'll show you this hidden iPhone feature, and I guarantee that maybe only 1% of iPhone users or less knows that this hidden feature does exist. Now, let me show you how to do that. Head to the settings, then tap on accessibility. Here, scroll down until you find accessibility shortcut. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you find voiceover, tap on it and choose that one. Now let's go back and go out of the settings. Now head to the camera, open the camera, switch to the video mode, and we are going to enable the voiceover. Okay, now triple tap the side button. 1, 2, 3.
Voiceover on.
Now
Camera,
voiceover is on.
HD button.
Now you need to tap the recording button here once,
Record video.
then twice. Now the camera is recording. Now we're going to make the screen completely go off, or we could say black. Triple tap with 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3.
Screen curtain on.
Now the screen is off, 100%, completely off, and the camera is still recording. This can happen, this can work for both cameras, the front and the back cameras as well. Now, how to stop it and how to disable this accessibility shortcut, which is the voiceover. Now, triple tap with 3 fingers again. 1, 2, 3.
0. Screen curtain.
Now, how to stop the camera recording and the voiceover? You have 2 options. You can double tap the recording button here or triple tap the side button quickly. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Voiceover off.
Now the voiceover is off and the video is being added to the photo library. This feature is deep inside the iPhone, and now you know it. If this surprised you, drop a like, follow for more hidden iPhone tricks, and trust me, there are way more secrets coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.